Ever wondered when you should be using your main beam? Main beam is brilliant because it illuminates the road more. It takes your lights from dipped beam up to a high array. Never use it if you've got vehicles coming towards you like this, and never use it if you're following other vehicles, because in both cases you'll blind the pants off them. In areas where you haven't got street lights, by putting them up like this, makes it much easier for you to see. You can see far more of the road. But if anything comes towards you, or like here, you see the tail lights of the vehicle up in front, dip them down until you haven't got any oncoming vehicles or following anybody, then you can raise them back up. A little tip for you: when you're approaching a bend, if you dip the ray back down to the dipped headlights, if anything is coming the other way, you'll be able to see the ray of their lights coming towards the bend. Keep a close eye out for pedestrians. If they're walking away from you, then your actual main beam setting will illuminate the road for them. But if you're actually got them coming towards you, the last thing you want to do is keep your lights on main beam, because all you're going to be doing is blinding the pants off them. I hope you found this video helpful.